So, you don't have enough time to do a 4 years university course? If that's you, you don't have to worry. Please carry on watching the video. Hi, my name is Fahmid Rahman. I'm a student consultant here at Hassle-Free Education. So today I'd like to give you the opportunity of pursuing a 1 year's certification in higher education. So we have 4 courses available. Number 1 being business, number 2 being healthcare, 3 we have psychology, and 4 we have computer science. So to be eligible, you need to have 2 things, okay? Number 1 being settled in the UK for 3 years or more. This includes being British, European, having an ILR or a refugee status, and number 2 being having a minimum proficiency level in English. So all you need to do is book a call now, and one of our advisors will be here to support you. Thanks for watching the video.